Before the invention of the water-powered clock, ancient Greeks relied on the sun and stars to track time, but this method was unreliable during cloudy days or at night. The need for a more precise and constant way to measure time led to a groundbreaking invention in ancient Greece. This innovation would change the way people understood and managed their daily lives. The concept of using water to measure time was not new, as water clocks had been used in Egypt and Babylon for centuries. However, the Greeks refined the design and improved the accuracy of these devices. Their innovation involved the use of a siphon and a floating indicator to mark the passage of time more precisely. The Greeks believed that time was a constant force, much like the flow of water, and they sought to capture this essence in their inventions. This belief inspired them to create a mechanical system that could measure time without relying on the whims of nature. Their water-powered clock became a symbol of human ingenuity and control over time. The water-powered clock was more than a tool for measuring time. It was a representation of the Greeks' pursuit of knowledge and order. It was used in public spaces, temples, and even in the courts of rulers, showing the importance of time in Greek society. This device was a cornerstone of ancient Greek civilization. The Greeks' water-powered clock marked a significant leap in scientific thought and engineering. It demonstrated their ability to create mechanisms that could operate consistently and predictably, paving the way for future innovations in timekeeping. This invention was a milestone in the history of technology. The water-powered clock operated by allowing water to flow from a higher tank to a lower one at a steady rate. This flow was carefully regulated to ensure that the water level in the lower tank rose at a consistent pace, allowing for accurate time measurement. This design was a significant improvement over earlier water clocks. A floating object, such as a wooden float, was placed in the lower tank. As the water level rose, the float would move upward, triggering a mechanism that marked the passage of time. This simple yet effective system allowed users to measure time without the need for complex gears or springs. The Greeks used a siphon to control the flow of water, ensuring that the rate of water movement remained constant. This siphon acted as a natural regulator, preventing the water from flowing too quickly or too slowly. This innovation was a key factor in the clock's accuracy. To make the clock more user-friendly, the Greeks often added a visible scale on the tank's side. This scale allowed observers to see the passage of time in real time, making the clock both functional and educational. It was a tool that could be used by people of all ages. The clock's design was elegant and practical. It was often made from simple materials like clay, wood, and metal, yet it performed with remarkable precision. This combination of simplicity and sophistication made the water-powered clock a marvel of ancient engineering. The water-powered clock was an essential tool in ancient Greek daily life. It was used in markets, schools, and even in religious ceremonies. Its presence in public spaces helped regulate activities and ensured that people could coordinate their schedules more efficiently. In schools, the clock was used to manage the time students spent on different subjects. This helped teachers maintain order and ensure that lessons were conducted in a structured and timely manner. The clock became a symbol of discipline and organization in Greek education. In religious ceremonies, the clock played a crucial role in determining the timing of rituals and sacrifices. Priests used it to ensure that offerings were made at the correct times, maintaining the sacred connection between the gods and the people. This use of the clock reinforced its importance in Greek society. The clock was also used by rulers to manage the timing of events in the city-state. It helped organize public meetings, military drills, and even legal proceedings. Its presence in such settings highlighted the Greeks' emphasis on order and precision in governance. Beyond its practical uses, the water-powered clock became a cultural icon. It was often depicted in art and literature, symbolizing the Greek pursuit of knowledge and the mastery of time. This device was more than a tool, it was a testament to human ingenuity. The the water-powered clock's influence extended far beyond ancient Greece. It inspired similar designs in other ancient civilizations, including Rome and China. These cultures adapted the concept to suit their own needs, showing the clock's universal appeal and usefulness. The Greeks' innovation laid the foundation for later mechanical clocks that would eventually replace water-powered timepieces. The principles of using a steady flow to measure time were later applied to pendulums, gears, and springs. This evolution marked a turning point in the history of timekeeping. Despite the advancement of technology, the water-powered clock remains a symbol of ancient ingenuity. Modern scientists and historians continue to study these early devices to understand how ancient people managed time without the help of electricity or complex machinery. These clocks reveal the sophistication of ancient engineering. In today's world, where time is measured with incredible precision, it's easy to forget the early innovations that made this possible. The Greeks' water-powered clock was a remarkable achievement that bridged the gap between nature and human innovation, proving that time can be harnessed and measured with creativity and precision. The legacy of the water-powered clock lives on not only in the history books, but also in the continued fascination with ancient engineering. It reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge and the mastery of time are timeless human endeavors. The Greeks were not just inventors, they were visionaries. The invention of the water-powered clock was deeply influenced by ancient Greek philosophy, particularly the ideas of Plato and Aristotle. These philosophers believed that time was a fundamental aspect of the universe, and they sought to understand its nature through observation and reason. The clock was a physical manifestation of their philosophical inquiries. Plato, for instance, viewed time as a shadow of the eternal, a concept that the Greeks sought to capture in their inventions. The water-powered clock, with its steady and predictable flow, symbolized the Greeks' belief in an ordered and measurable universe. It was a tool that reflected their philosophical worldview. Aristotle, on the Other Chinese letter, believed that time was a measure of change. He saw time as a sequence of events, and the water-powered clock provided a way to measure these changes in a tangible and visual manner. This connection between philosophy and technology was a hallmark of ancient Greek innovation. The Greeks' philosophical approach to time influenced not only their inventions, but also their culture and daily lives. They believed that understanding and controlling time was essential to achieving harmony and order in the world. The water-powered clock was a physical expression of these ideals. This deep philosophical connection between time and innovation set the Greeks apart from other ancient civilizations. Their ability to merge scientific thought with philosophical inquiry made them pioneers in the field of timekeeping and laid the foundation for future scientific discoveries. Despite the importance of the water-powered clock in ancient Greece, many of these early devices have been lost to time. Archaeologists have uncovered only a few remnants, and much of what we know about the Greeks' timekeeping systems comes from written records and artistic depictions. This mystery has fueled centuries of research and speculation. The few surviving water clocks are often incomplete, making it difficult for historians to understand how they functioned. Some were made of metal and have corroded over time, while others were constructed from clay and have crumbled into dust. These losses have created gaps in our knowledge of Greek engineering. Despite these challenges, archaeologists and historians continue to search for new clues about the Greeks' water-powered clocks. Recent discoveries in the Aegean region have revealed fragments of water clocks that may provide insight into their construction and use. These findings offer a glimpse into the past and help us understand the ingenuity of the Greeks. The mystery of the lost water-powered clocks has also inspired modern engineers and scientists to recreate these ancient devices. By studying the principles behind them, researchers have been able to build functional replicas that demonstrate how the Greeks measured time. These replicas bring the past to life and highlight the enduring legacy of ancient innovation. Although the original clocks have been lost, their influence remains. The mystery surrounding them continues to captivate historians, engineers, and the public alike. The search for more information about the Greeks' water-powered clocks is a testament to the enduring fascination with ancient technology and human ingenuity.